Start off with 1.5 cups of black sesame powder. Pour all into a bowl. Add 14-ounce or 1 can of condensed milk. Two teaspoons of vanilla extract. And a pinch of salt. Mix until everything is combined. Add 2 cups of heavy cream into the mixer bowl. Whip it on medium to high speed until you see firm peaks. It'll be about 2 minutes. Transfer a bit of whipped cream to the black sesame mixture and mix it. Then transfer the lightened mixture into the whipped cream. Hold it all together until it's just combined. Pour all of it into a chilled loaf pan. Smooth out the surface. Cover it and freeze overnight.